Hi to all. Welcome to my today's class constructions of class 10 chapter 11. Today I am going to discuss division of a line segment. How to divide a line segment in a given ratio. Before going to do this construction, do you remember how to draw a line parallel to a given line through a point? Let us see how to do it. Here you have a line AB and a point C. You have to draw a line through C parallel to AB. First draw a line through A and C. Now with the center A, any radius, draw an arc. Now with center C, the same radius, draw an arc to intersect the line at line AC. Now measure the length of this arc. Now with the same radius, with this intersecting point as center, cut the previous arc. Now join this point to C. You will get a line parallel to AB. Here CD is parallel to AB. Let us see how to draw a line segment AB and divide it in the ratio 3:2. First draw a line segment AB. Now draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Here we have to divide AB in the ratio 3:2. That means out of 5 parts, 3 plus 2, 5 parts, one part should be 3 and the other part should be 2 of AB. So next step is locate 5 equal points on AX. For that, with the help of compass, divide AX, take AX, 5 points on AX. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me name it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Here A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. All points are equal. Now join A5B. Now since the ratio is 3:2, through A3 you have to draw a line parallel to A5B. For that, with the center A5, any radius, draw an arc to intersect AX and A5B. Now with the same radius, with the center A3, draw an arc. Now measure this arc length. Now with the same radius, with this intersecting point as center, cut the arc. Now join A3 to that intersecting point. Let that line intersect AB at C. Now C divides AB in the ratio 3:2. Now let us see how this method gives us the required division. You know that a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is basic proportionality theorem. If DE is parallel to BC, in all cases you will get AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here A3 is 3 unit, A3 to A5 is 2 units. Then A3C is parallel to A5B. Therefore, A3 by A3 A5 is equal to AC by CB. That is AC by CB is equal to A3 by A35 is equal to 3 by 2 by basic proportionality theorem. So C divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 2. Now let us see the steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB. Second step, draw an array AX making an acute angle with AB. Third step is locate 5, that is 3 plus 2 points. 3 plus 2 is 5. A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 on AX, so that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. Next step is join B, A5. Next step is through the point A3, draw a line parallel to A5B at A3 intersecting AB at the point C. Then AC is to CB is equal to 3 is to 2. The same division we can do in another way also. Let us see it. Draw a line segment AB. Now draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB, and draw ray BY making an acute angle with B, where AX and BY should be parallel. So first draw ray BY parallel to AX with center A, any radius, draw an arc. Now with the center B, same radius, draw another arc. Now measure the length of this arc with same radius with this intersecting point as center. Cut the previous arc. Now join that intersecting point and B. Here AX is parallel to BY. Now locate 3 points on AX having same distance. So let it be A1, A2 and A3, and the same length on BY also take 2 points as B1 and B2. Here A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to B1 is equal to B1, B2. Now join A3, B2 intersecting AB at C. Now C divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 2. How this method gives the required division? Here you can see two triangles A3C and B2C. These two triangles are similar by a similarity because these two angles are equal vertically opposite. Then alternate interior angle A is equal to angle B. Alternate interior angles, angle A3 by A is equal to angle B2. Again alternate interior angles. So three angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar. If triangles are similar, its corresponding sides are proportional. That means AC by CB is equal to A3 by A3 by B2B. AC by BC is equal to AA3 by B2B is equal to AA3 is equal to 3 units and B2 is equal to 2 units. So 3 by 2. Therefore, C divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 2. Now look at the steps of construction. Draw a line segment AB. Second step is draw an array AX making an acute angle with AB. Draw a ray BY parallel to AX. Locate the points A1, points A1, A2 and A3 on AX and B1, B2 on BY such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to B1 is equal to B1, B2. Now join A3, B2. Let it intersect AB at a point C. Then AC is to CB is equal to 3 is to 2. So you can construct by using any of these two methods. That is all for today's class. Do the exercise question. Thank you.